This is Channels Television's breaking news.
Today's news. Prabhal's father kicked him out of the house. Today's news. Prabhal's mother scolded him very badly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have done something wrong. So, researching to that video, I got this ting 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 from my aunt. She gifted me for making me more better videos. If you did not watch my previous videos, please watch them. Link in the description. Today I am going to make buttermilk cake. Today I am going to make apple crumble. Sorry. Today I am going to make carrot cake. Before starting, let's get dressed up. Let's go. Ingredients: 1 cup grated carrot, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup buttermilk, 1½ cup maida, 1 tablespoon baking powder, ½ tablespoon baking soda, ½ cup sunflower oil, and finally dry fruits for garnishing. Lights, camera, action! Take a bowl. Mix maida, baking powder and sugar and keep it aside. Take another bowl. Add 1 cup of buttermilk, ½ cup oil, one cup of sugar. Mix until sugar dissolves. Add grated carrot and vanilla essence to the mixture. Now add the freshly prepared maida mixture to it. Pour the batter into the greased tin. Add dry fruits as toppings. Preheat oven for 5 minutes. Place the cake in the oven. Let it bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade.
2,000 years later.
Be careful while taking out the cake tin. Safety is the first priority. Never throw your glove when the work is done. I repeat, never. Thank you for watching my video. Hit the like button, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe.